Today I am sporting this sweatshirt, Tennessee Tech University, my alma mater. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I am showing my face and I'm also unboxing that big box back there. In that box are goodies that I ordered from Sarah Renae Clark, and I am sharing them with you today. The star of the show, however, is my new coloring planner for 2024. I have the box here. I have my scissors here. I have never had a coloring planner before. I tried to make one myself, but I kind of wanted something that's already made. I saw Sarah's app, pre-ordered it. I'm sharing it with you today. I want to be more organized when it comes to coloring, just a little bit more than what I am currently. This is how it's packaged. Looks like it's packaged very well. And take the paper out here. I ordered some stickers coloring Foliage, 24 sticker sheet. And I also have coloring sticker essentials, 605. And I also have journals. I ordered two different ones. This one is the dotted journal here, and it has 160 pages. And then I have a second journal that is a line journal. That's this one here. Let's get into the planner. The planner comes in this box. It's kind of heavy too. Guess that's a good thing, huh? I'm gonna open it here. This matches the journal I have. Comes in this box. Of course, I'm going to give you a good look of everything. That box is pretty big and it was pretty heavy too. But I think this is the culprit for the weight. Now I'm going to transition into giving you a top-down look of everything that I have. Specifically, I'm going to really get up close and personal with this planner. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you is the coloring Foliage 24 sticker sheets to color in and decorate in your planner. There are 605 stickers in here. These are stickers that you can color in. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'm just giving you an idea of what's in here, and I'm kind of skipping some here, okay? But these are cool because I can put them in the planner and color them in and decorate the planner however I want to do that, okay? So that is the first one. Again, I did not flip through and show you everything because, as I stated, the planner is the star of the show, but I wanted to show you the stickers. Now, here are the other stickers that I have. They are sticker essentials, and I have 24 sheets. I'm just gonna flip through them pretty quickly. You have ice cream, butterflies, desserts. Yeah, essential stickers for your planner. And these can be colored in. I'm going to have fun doing my planner. Next, I have my journals. This one goes with the planner that I ordered. So pretty. And I have this other planner. As I stated, I have the dot journal and I also have the line journal. Couldn't make my mind up, so I got both of them. It has 120 GM square or GSM and also 160 pages. This has pretty good paper. Very good. Yeah. The dots are bigger than I'm used to seeing, but that's okay. That's okay. It has two ribbons in here, right? And it doesn't have a pocket. I'm used to having a pocket, but that's okay. This is for my coloring anyway, so that's not a big deal to me. So this is the dotted journal, and the line journal is the same, 100 GSM or GM squared, 160 pages. This is a hardcover journal. I forgot to say that. And this has just your lines in here. Pretty thick, spaces between the lines, which is okay with me. And then there are ribbons in here. Okay, no pocket, but that's fine with me. Now, let's get into the planner. The planner comes in this nice box, storage box, so I probably will keep it in here. So this is the planner for 2024 for coloring. You notice that I have the line journal and it goes with this planner here. This is a pretty big planner. It's not little at all. It's very big. It's bigger than I thought it would be. So on the cover, it has 2024. Let's open it up and see what's in here. So we have this planner belongs to Paige, and we have a 2024 spread for the first 6 months and a 2024 spread for the last 6 months, and you can color. So this is January through June and July through December. You have some dotted space down here where you can put notes. So now, as I turn the page, there is a border around 2024 at a glance. You have January through June, July through December, 2024 at a glance. She has in here my yearly goals, what I want to achieve, my motivation and the steps, personal, health, family, friendships, career, and learning. And you have space here. One of the things you need to know is that there is a ribbon here, like a bookmark. First up, we have January, Sunday through Saturday calendar. It is tabbed January here. Turning the page, I see this open space that maybe I could decorate. I could just leave it blank if I want to. Now this page is something to color for the month of January. As I turn the page, here is the January calendar, full calendar spread with, I guess, succulents, flowers around here. And you have a full, pretty big calendar spread. January, Sunday through Saturday. You have a space over here to take notes. The next page, it says this month. You put what you want to focus on, birthdays and events, my big focus, projects and tasks. And it also has a place for you to put notes. And of course, around here, you can color this for the month. For January, goals. You have 6 goals that you can work on for the month if you want to do that. Down below is the dotted space to take notes. We have weekly vertical planner, January 1st, which is Monday. And then everything that you're going to do on that day, you can put it here. I love how the numbers are really big. Everything is just big. It's not little. And I like it like that. There are items to color around the week. And right here, it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I guess you could actually write down some things that you have to do or want to do on specific days. Down here, she has big focus. On the other page, it's the same. I'm thankful for, which is a gratitude. So every week, toward the end of the week, I guess you could write what you're thankful for. And again, there are items to color around this vertical setup here. I like. So this is your weekly. So you have your monthly and then you have your weekly. And then of course, there are things to color around here and they are different for each week. She has January memories, anything that I want to remember for January. She has moments I want to remember, and you can put that down here. Could be photos, pictures, whatever. And then reflection, the month's progress on my goal for the year, the lessons I learned this month, the things I like to improve next month. I like to do more blank. I like to do less blank. I am thankful for. Okay, I like that. There are illustrations to color, and it all is related to what it first started out here in January. Now we're coming to February. This is the February page, and anything that I want to add here or just create, I can do that here. And we have our tab here, February, and it is the same thing, Sunday through Saturday. I'm just going to flip through here so you can see the illustrations. I think they are very cool. This is the February page to color. This page has popcorn and shades and movies, film here. And again, we have our February, and there are illustrations to color around the February. I love how the calendar is just so bold and big. I like my calendars to look like this. Notes over here. I know you're probably saying, Evelyn, be quiet and just flip. And I'm going to be quiet and flip now. Okay, so this is the last page in December, and back here there are more blank pages for notes, my year review, my most meaningful moments of the year, my biggest achievements this year, how I feel about what I achieved this year, new things I did or learned, the biggest challenge I faced this year and what I learned, how I feel about the person I've become through this year, things I am proud of, I am thankful for next year, I'd like to focus on. And then in the back, you can have your contacts here if you like. Color the page, donuts. We all love donuts. And then there is a year at a glance for 2025 and more blank paper here. And that is it. And then she has order your 2025 calendar. You can put that code in and get 10% off. That is it for the planner. This is a pretty big planner, and I see myself probably keeping it very close to my desk. I wanted a planner because I want to be more focused when it comes to coloring. A lot of times I just color willy-nilly. I have no plan and I don't even have any type of focus. I just start coloring, but I want to be more focused. I also plan to use this planner in videos and to have a either weekly video or monthly video sharing with you the planner, things that I've done for that week or whatever. I haven't decided yet, but I will be doing that. I do like this planner. It's kind of big, but it serves its purpose. I like the paper. The paper quality is stellar. I like that. It's pretty thick, but it's not overly thick, but it's just thick enough to be able to take the markers that I want to use, not alcohol markers, but my regular water-based markers. It should be fine. These are all the items that I bought from Sarah Renae Clark. My stickers and my journals and this beautiful coloring planner. Thank you for lending me your eyes, your ears, and your time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments that you may have in the comments section and I'll be down in the comments to engage with you. Until next time, keep coloring. Bye.